Hello, children. Ever heard the Thornbird story? There is a legend about a bird who sang the most beautiful song on earth. Today, I will take you through the beautiful story of the Thornbird. Birds are lovely creatures. They appear in different types of colors and adds to the beauty of the world. The story of the Thornbird is very inspiring. There was this bird who sang the most beautiful song on earth. According to the legend, there was a bird who sings just once in its lifetime. Its song is so sweet that it can beat any other creature on earth. From the time it leaves its nest, it searches for a tree all throughout its life. This little bird, it rests not until it finds that perfect place to sing its song. It roams all around the earth seeking that place to pour out its heart to the people of the world. Flying from one place to another, it travels several miles to find out that perfect place where he can sit and let his voice pour out. When the bird finally finds one, he gets to see a tree which has many thorns in it. When he finds that tree, he goes to it and he sits in one of those savage branches. And doing such, he impales itself upon the surfaced spine. The bird, while doing this, it dies because its heart got pierced and he died. But then I told you that he was searching this tree all throughout his life. The bird died, but dying, he poured out his heart to let his voice to be heard by the world. The bird dies thus, its heart getting pierced and dying, he rises above its own agony to outcarol the lark and the nightingale. The nightingale bird, it sings very beautifully. But this thornbird, his voice even outcarols the lark and the nightingale. When this little bird, he sings his beautiful song, the heavens listen and the world rejoice, and God in heaven smiles. For children, for the best is only brought at the cost of great pain. Nothing in the world comes for free. Any kind of hard work, it demands time and effort. Each day of our life is a struggle. When we are determined, nothing stops us from achieving what we want. Whatever goals we plan, whatever we decide to do in our life, if we are dedicated, if we are ready to pour out all our efforts, and if we persevere day in and out tirelessly and with firm determination, we are sure to reach where we are destined to be or where we plan out to reach. So this is the beautiful story of the thornbird who sang the most beautiful song on earth. It is a legend and it talks about the deep pain that this little bird went through to sing the most beautiful song ever heard on earth. Hope you like this lesson, children. Subscribe to my channel for more of such beautiful stories, poems, lessons, and don't forget to share and subscribe it with your friends. Thank you.